this area. And there is, I have flowers, and I want to save them because they are under this tree in the shadow, and I'm afraid they can die, and I want to free from these branches um, to give them more sun, more air, and clean from the fallen pears. This is pear tree, and these fruits are buried under small branches, and I want to clean it and save what I can save, because there is a lot of different flowers like roses. Clematis is completely or absolutely damaged. Phloxy and two different species of lilies I have, and I want to save, clean this fast as I can, because I don't want them buried in 1 month like this. So it's very easy. Actually, this tree, it's very dry inside. It's very old. It's very dry inside. It's like 50 years old. And cut this approximately this size of branches is very easy, very quickly. So it's not so difficult. But of course, cutting this kind of diameter size, my neighbor will do this and put this. So yeah. And today evening I will burn all these branches. So there's this tree. My neighbor also are putting something. Maybe the trees also are fallen. And there is my flowers there under buried. And there is my rose. Thank God it's alive, not broken. It's a miracle. This is clematis. Yeah, it's buried, and this flower. Yeah. Oh, so it's broken. It's very nice. I love this. Okay, I'll put in waste like this. Yep. This is fine. This will be okay. This vase is 50 years old. It's really antique, vintage.